Greetings from Costa Rica and welcome back to Iguana Villas number 2, which is Guanacaste's first feline-friendly villa for sale. And I'll show you what I mean by that in just a moment. This is a 1,700 square foot, 2-bedroom villa located just a couple blocks from a white sand beach. The owner here has remodeled and updated every detail, and they're now selling it completely turnkey and furnished. The villa is even ready for your furry feline friends with Guanacaste's best kitty jungle gym already installed. To use AI for something productive for once, I'm going to go ahead and add a ton of cats to a shot of the jungle gym so that you can imagine what it would look like with a variety of fluffy friends jumping around on it. The Iguana Villas complex here in Playa Junquial has a spectacular location. As I mentioned before, you're only a couple blocks walking distance from Playa Blanca, our precious white sand beach. You're about 45 minutes away from Playa Tamarindo, and you can get to the Liberia International Airport in just over an hour. There are just 10 2-bedroom villas here at Iguana Villas, so you never feel like there's a huge crowd or a ton of people in the complex. At 1,700 square feet, the Iguana Villas feel a lot more like homes rather than condos. The floor plan includes a private patio so that everybody can enjoy the outdoors. Here, specifically in number 2, the owner has added secure owner's storage as well as a utility room while they remodeled every detail from the floor tiles through the lighting fixtures. On the first floor, you have this gorgeous living space, the kitchen behind me, and the guest suite where this particular owner has added access to the outside through sliders. And upstairs is the primary suite, which has been remodeled to include a 9-jet jacuzzi tub. The upstairs suite has a wonderfully private terrace, which is the perfect spot to enjoy those afternoons here in Costa Rica. If you want to know more about Iguana Villas number 2, be sure to send me an email to matt@costaricamat.com. As of September 2025, the listing price for Iguana Villas number 2 is $467,000.